Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 out of 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review, and I'd like to start off with the overall market performance here. Pretty much volatile state with the VIX going up and then coming back down in terms of overall fear in the market. There was a lot of confusion with the jobs numbers. JOLTS had better than expected, ADP had worse than expected, and overall employment picture was better than expected by double. That also included the seasonal part-time jobs that are coming up for the holidays. Natural gas did amazing going forward with overall buy trend to the upside. Commitment to traders was mixed. However, this was an overall great trend trade to the upside. 20-year continues to go down and has kind of paused over at the 90 level. There, it hasn't broken down below, but this is continued weakness to the downside as far as the 20-year. And we're still mixed on the commitment of traders going forward. But it does have more distance here to the Z3 and Z3 excursion at 88 if it closes below this overall point figure target. Right now it's currently calculating another horizontal vertical count because this has already been breached, so we'll see what next week as far as overall price movement. 2-year was also consolidating pretty much around this point figure target, looking at about 100. Overall commitment of traders is also mixed. There's still more price action to the downside. Same with the 5-year. Commitment of traders are mixed. And 10-year is still crowded out to the short side. However, there's still price action that's broken below this point figure targets here that are now calculating to the downside. If treasuries continue to go up for next week, we could see this being a potential bottom for treasuries. That will depend on the value of the dollar and also the yields going forward. Speaking of which, the yields for the 5-year on the bid and ask is 4.8, 10-year 4.84, 30-year 5.1, 2-year overall 5.1, and 20-year 5.22. It's interesting that the 2-year is greater than the 30-year going forward. So just something to note. Looking at overall trades going forward, you're looking at silver negative here, but gapped up. Overall gain for the day, it did go all the way down and then came back all the way up towards the end of the day today. $210 on 1,000 shares. Next is Beto, overall loss of 300. Bank D, nice overall gain on this overall upward surge of $1,210 on 1,000 shares. Boyle, beautiful gain here. Loss here of 1870 and then a nice wonderful gain to close out the day. Ended with $2,780 for the week. Drip, nice $520 gain. DRV, wonderful gain with this overall upsurge at the beginning of the week of $3,960 on 1,000 shares. Dust, overall loss of $170. Baz, overall gain with this nice upsurge of $650. FNGD, consolidated below the dragon, back above the dragon with a loss of $750. GDXD, overall topped here at a $40 loss. GLL, wonderful gains all the way up, $169 on 1,000 shares. HIBS, wonderful gains here of $970. JDST, wonderful gain of $57. LabD, nice overall gain for the week of $1,320. SCO, wonderful gain here, and POP of $1,230 overall gain for shorting oil. SDOW, nice overall gain at the beginning of the week, $460. SOXS, overall loss here, $310. Then another loss here of $130 limited to this spread of $440. SPXS, overall gain of about break even, $20. And same with SPXU of $40. Shorting the overall NASDAQ with this consolidation was an overall loss of $1,280. SRS, overall gain of $210. Russell Short, wonderful gain here of overall $3,180 on 1,000 shares. Shorting the treasuries were great across the board here. TBF, overall gain of $235. TBT, overall gain of $820. And TBX, overall gain of $270. Shorting the tech stocks, same with the SQQQ, loss of $1,060. T, wonderful gain of $1,397. Give backs here on Wednesday and also on Friday. TYO, also another nice gainer at $89. And TZA, overall gain of $910. UVIXI, nice overall gain here of $640 with a give back on Wednesday. WebS, overall gain about break even at $29. Yang, which is shorting China, wonderful gains here if you're doing swing trades, but overall gappy, just regular market trading at $130 gain. And shorting silver, nice gain overall for the week of $500. Looking at oil, incredible price drop to the downside on oil overall. Could have some more price action to the downside all the way to the RL270, which is at 77. Nice mark on the wall. We got the Z3, the 200, and the RL270 all converging. This is a significant liquidity zone at 77. Looking at the world markets, go to China. Overall recovery here off this point and figure support level. Japan also bounced today overall, right here off the Z3 and this hammer. Taiwan, and looking at semiconductors, looking at overall gains to the upside off the 200 here and W formation. Looking at the UK, overall downtrend, and then today was an overall uptrend. Looking at the Aussie, also follows suit. Overall downtrend with this overall cup formation. We'll see if it continues to the upside or is it a reverse J hook going forward. Magnificent 7 all up. Looking at next week, I've got Bitcoin, shorting oil, Bull Z with the Magnificent 7, FNGU, same way, TechL as well. Also looking at Boyle going forward. Well, folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. If you're interested in this kind of strategies going forward or programming in both PineScript or Python and auto trading, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday. As far as the overall gains for the week, amazing gains here on Monday and Tuesday with drawdowns and break even from Wednesday to Friday. Overall gains for all of these trades was 18,000 going forward. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.